Tutorial 4. Jointless floor design with mesh and synthetic fibers. To start the calculation, you need to insert the name of the project and the total surface area of the industrial floor in square meters. The first information the system will ask for are the main characteristics of the industrial floor, that is, the thickness of the slab, the type of subbase, which can be selected from the various types listed in the drop-down menu, and lastly, the class of concrete. Moving forward, the system will ask you to select the types of loads acting on the flooring, the evenly distributed load in kilonewtons per square meter, the linear load, such as partition walls and panels, in kilonewtons per meter. The next drop-down menu allows you to choose the type of forklift and to specify whether it has pneumatic or rigid wheel. It is also possible to select the type of truck that will transit over the flooring. Localize loads from racking by using the slider to select the kilonewtons acting on the support legs, the size in millimeters of the foot area. At this point, we can select the type of back-to-back, double-row racking by inserting, again in millimeters, the distance between the two adjacent rows. To add a jointless solution to a floor reinforced only with synthetic fibers, click on Add Jointless Solution, and the software will ask us additional information such as the level of humidity when pouring the industrial floor, which can vary from 50 to 80%. At this point, we will be asked what type of cement will be used to make the concrete and the spacing between the expansion joints, which can vary from a minimum of 8 by 8 to a maximum of 40 by 40. At this point, the system will calculate the amount of Mapei system required in order for the jointless solution to be verified. In this case, 4 liters per cubic meter of Mapei SRA 25 and 14 kilos per cubic meter of X-Pancrete are sufficient. Using the drop-down menu, it is possible to choose other similar products for which the dosages required are specified.